Use multiplication or division facts to find the unknown whole number.
Welcome to Missing Factor Orchard. Watch the scene carefully to determine the unknown whole number in these multiplication and division facts. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, meaning the mathematical structure can be seen through Hazel's actions before it is ever named. Finding the unknown number is a matter of identifying what correctly fills the physical gap to make the observed fact true. 8 equal rows must fill 48. To find the missing count, we look for the number filling each row. Counting a row of 6 8 times confirms the total. The unknown factor is 6, because 8 times 6 equals 48. At the triple basket stand, the arrangement changes. We know each basket holds 3 acorns, but the number of baskets needed to reach 27 is currently a mystery. Hazel needs to find how many of these 3-unit baskets must be combined to reach the total. By counting by threes exactly 9 times, we prove the total matches 27. The unknown factor is 9, because 9 times 3 equals 27. The weather light shifts as we reach the 32 split. Here, 32 acorns must be parted into equal groups. The total of 32 is split into equal groups until 4 groups remain. The size of these groups is our unknown gap. Each group must hold 8, because 4 times 8 is 32. The unknown divisor is 8, because 32 divided by 8 equals 4. At the story's climax, the starting total is unknown. However, we can see it has been split into 5 equal shares of 4 acorns each. To find the unknown total, we physically combine these 5 equal shares. 5 times 4 is 20, which confirms that 20 divided by 5 equals 4. The unknown number is 20, because 20 divided by 5 equals 4. The labels in the environment show what each quantity means, while Hazel's actions show how those quantities change. Multiplication and division facts are part of the same family, allowing us to use one operation to check the other. Look closely at the environment. Which label revealed the most important relationship to you, and how did the animal's movement prove it?
8 groups of 6 make 48, so the missing factor is 6.